Hi everyone, so today we have the Baby Registry Welcome bag from Amazon. This is the 2025 version. I borrowed it from a friend to show you what's inside. So let's take a look at what comes in the 2025 version. So there's an amazing baby newborn muslin swaddle. This is 100% cotton. This is an item that was previously in other Baby Registry Welcome bags from Amazon too, but this is a different color. I haven't seen that. It's a really cute sage green color. A very exciting little baby Einstein toy. This is pretty neat. Most registries don't give you a toy to play with, or if they do, it's like a rattle. So I think this is pretty cool and different. Seems like a good toy to have on the go. It's for 6 months plus. What else is in here? So you have a brand named MAM, M-A-M. I personally have never heard of this brand before, so it is interesting and cool to get a bottle from them. There's a bottle and a pacifier inside here to test out to see if you like it. These are of course BPA free, and it looks like they have easy and fast self-sterilizing available. So that's quite interesting. Continue to see what's inside. So we have one diaper by Pampers Pure. So that's pretty cool. So if you're not really familiar with the different types of Pampers, there is one diaper here included for you to try out. And then there is a Swaddle Designs organic cotton bodysuit. It looks like this. I personally got the light green color. I think it's very cute. Seems gender neutral to me, and it looks really nice. Let's see what else is in here. There's a sample of Aquaphor and a QR code to add Aquaphor to your Amazon registry. And so here is the last big item, which is the Dr. Brown's anti-colic baby bottle. And this is the slim version. And let's continue to see what else is in here. All right, so there's a lot of little samples and papers here. There's an ad for Dr. News Best. There's an ad for Pampers and their sizing. There's an ad for Baby Breeza. Let's take a look to see what's in here. So it's really just telling you the different equipment and devices they have. There is a little Amazon QR code to learn more about their registry. There's a sample for the Palmer's Stretch Mark and Skin Therapy Oil. So I personally used the Skin Therapy Oil in the past when I was pregnant, and I thought it worked out really well. So I think that's a really good ad for anyone who might be expecting a baby. And then there's some coupons for some food delivery services. So this is what's in the current 2025. Of course, your individual bag contents will vary. Amazon has a variety of different items, but they do have generally the same types of items in each bag, but they might just be a little bit different here and there, different colors, or maybe a different toy, but something still pretty small, meant for infants. Let me know if you have any questions, and for those of you that are expecting a baby, congratulations.